It's an exhilaration that is unparalleled in this universe. You take off of a jump and you're literally flying. You're weightless. Even though you've got the weight of you have a 250-pound machine underneath you, there's nothing in this world holding you back at that moment.
Motocross racing is part of Veronika's DNA.
It's a passion that was in my blood far before I ever threw my leg over a bike.
My dad raced, I raced, and Veronika is racing. It's in our blood, and I'm very proud of what she's done.
As a competitive racer who's earned more than a few trophies, Veronika has seen her share of crashes, but nothing like what could have been a career-ending mid-air collision.
All I saw was a bike flip and a body. I did not know it was her until I saw the other two bikes come out of the corner. Then I realized it was her. By the time I got there, the EMTs were there. I was in a major panic.
We were going over a jump, so we were unfortunately about 20 feet off the ground when we collided midair. Both went down. I unfortunately had the greater impact from it. I broke my collarbone, my sternum, and had a pretty bad concussion.
That concussion was so severe that Veronika developed a stutter, and the clavicle was so badly broken it threatened to puncture a lung.
When the surgeon looked at my x-ray, he told me that the bone was so displaced that it kind of looked like an M, where one bone was resting upon my lung, and that was a very large concern for other health issues. So that it was in my best interest to have surgery as soon as possible.
A few months after surgery, Veronika's clavicle fracture had still not healed. Even simple activities like walking were painful.
It was a heartbreaker for me. It was something that was very difficult for me to hear. I was very nervous. I didn't understand why or what would be a next step, and I didn't know really where to go from there.
Her orthopedic surgeon prescribed a bone growth stimulation device called PhysioStim to help her fracture heal.
When my surgeon told me about the bone stimulator, I was very skeptical about it. I did not understand how it worked, even though he had described it to me, and I didn't understand how something like this could produce results.
The device can be used on a variety of long bones in the upper and lower body, including the clavicle, commonly known as the collarbone. Although the patient feels nothing, the device sends low-level pulses of electromagnetic energy to the fracture site, which stimulates the natural healing process.
The process was very easy. The rep had my appointment set up in one phone call, came to my office during my break, set me up with the device, answered all the questions about it, told me how it works, maintenance, and how to charge it, and we were ready to go.
Commonly, the device is prescribed to be worn 3 hours per day, and patients may be able to maintain normal activities as advised by their physician.
It worked faster than my surgeon had anticipated, so I was able to get back on my motorcycle and get back to life as soon as possible.
After using PhysioStim daily as prescribed, Veronika's fracture is healed. Best of all, she's back competing at the sport she loves.
I'm at the stage where I'm getting good again. My confidence is coming back. I'm really enjoying going riding every time I go out. And so right now, I'd say the comeback's looking pretty good.
It makes me feel very, very good as a father. Scared? Yes. But at least she loves the sport.
When I'm on the track now, I can ride with confidence again. I can ride with passion again because I'm not concerned. I feel alive again. And that is something that is awe-inspiring to me. That is the stuff that dreams are made of.
To learn more about PhysioStim, visit www.bonestimulation.com to access these resources. The OrthoFix PhysioStim device featured in this video is indicated for the treatment of an established non-union acquired secondary to trauma, excluding vertebrae and all flat bones, where the width of the non-union defect is less than 1/2 of the width of the bone to be treated. A non-union is considered to be established when the fracture site shows no visibly progressive signs of healing. Use of this device is contraindicated where the individual has synovial pseudoarthrosis. Demand-type pacemaker operation may be adversely affected by exposure to pulsed electromagnetic fields. The safety and effectiveness of this device has not been established for individuals lacking skeletal maturity or individuals with a non-union secondary to or in connection with a pathological condition. The safety of this device for use on patients who are pregnant or nursing has not been established. Rare instances of reversible minor discomfort have been reported. Full prescribing information can be found in product labeling on our patient education website, www.bonestimulation.com, or by calling patient services at 1-800-535-4492. Caution: Federal law, USA, restricts this device to sale by or on the order of a physician. Not everyone responds to bone stimulation in the same way, and patient experiences may vary. To understand the benefits and risks, please discuss them with your doctor. A prescription is required. All product and company names are trademarks or registered trademarks of their respective holders. Use of them does not imply any affiliation with or endorsement by them. This video contains information about bone stimulation therapy that is approved for use in the United States and is intended to be viewed by residents of the United States. This video is intended to be viewed in context of youtube.com, vimeo.com, or an Orthofix website. Orthofix is not responsible for the context in which it is shared.